Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide by cosine x squared on numerator and denominator. So this one multiplied by 4 cosine x squared and 9 sine x squared in here. So we have 4 plus 9 sine x squared over cosine x squared. Because cosine x squared divided by cosine x squared, that's why you have number 4 in here. Now we have the formula in here. Sine x over cosine x equals to tan x, and 1 over cosine x equals to secant of x. This one we have secant of x squared. This one we have 9 tan x squared. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to tan x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have secant of x squared dx. So this one we change by u, and we have u squared. Secant of x squared dx we change by du. Now we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I need to put about u equals to 2 over 3 tan t. Because if I put this one go in here, you got about 4 over 9 tan t squared. Number 9, we cancel. Number 4, we can do about factorization. 1 plus tan t squared, we change secant of t squared, and later that we simplify by du. Now we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we got about du equal to 2 over 3 secant of t squared dt. So I will put this one go in here, and du we change by this one. So this one we have 4 over 9 tan t squared. Number 9, we cancel. Number 4, we can do about factorization. So this one we have secant of t squared, and later that we need to simplify on numerator and denominator. This one we have number 2 and number 4, we simplify. And this one we got about 1 over 6. The integration of dt, you got about t. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by 2 over 3. So you got about 3u over 2. And then we got about t equals to R10 of 3u over 2. So I need to put this one to change for t. About u, that is about this one tan x. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.